In this video, we will demonstrate how to correctly dispose of waste animal tissue. During the preparation of the class, the tissue can be collected into a beaker or some other convenient container. Once the class is prepared, we can clean up by placing waste tissue into the green plastic disposal bag. The top of this bag should then be twisted and can be taped shut. This will prevent leaking in the freezer. Next, the bag should be taken to the Sanyo freezer marked Dirty Freezer. The bag is placed in this freezer. There should always be a container of some sort that the bag goes into to prevent leakage from the bag into the bottom of the freezer. The bag stays in this freezer and is later collected by vet science for incineration. Back in the dissecting room, the packaging that the toads arrived in can be bundled up and placed into a yellow biohazard bag. The equipment used to prepare the tissue should then be placed away back into the appropriate container. These will generally be clearly labelled on the front. Equipment that has touched the toad skin, such as the tissue cutter, should be washed first in detergent of some sort, and a scrubbing brush, then rinsed thoroughly, then dried thoroughly to prevent the instrument from going rusty. The instrument may also be left out on a sheet of bench coat to allow it to dry thoroughly before being put away. Lastly, after class, the discs of toad skin from the student preparations will need to be disposed of. To do this, gather up each of the discs into a beaker or petri dish, then retrieve the green plastic bag from the freezer and place the discs of tissue into the bag. The bag can then be resealed and placed back into the freezer. Take one last look around and just ensure that everything has been put away from the preparation of this class.